Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today I will be showing you how to make cinnamon toast. There's just a couple of ingredients that you will be using for this recipe. You will need some cinnamon, sugar, butter, and bread. So let's get into this video and I will show you how simple this recipe is going to turn out. Before you start making your cinnamon toast, I recommend for you to take out the butter out of the refrigerator, let it sit on the counter for about an hour to make sure that the butter is extremely soft. The reason for that is because it'll just make it easier on yourself to spread the butter onto the bread once it's toasted. So the first ingredient that I am going to start off with is the 2 tablespoons of sugar. Once you have your 2 tablespoons of sugar, then you are going to get 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and you're going to pour it into the bowl together with the sugar. Once you have the sugar and the cinnamon in your bowl, you're just going to mix it all up. The next step is you're going to toast your bread. And once we're waiting for the bread to get toasted, and then I will show you what the next step is going to be. My toast is ready and I just took it out of my toaster here. So now I am going to get the butter and I'm going to spread it onto my bread evenly. And since the bread is hot and the butter is melting nicely onto the bread, and then I am going to sprinkle some cinnamon mixed in with the sugar on top of the bread. You can put as much as cinnamon you would like. If you don't want it too sweet, just want to give it a touch of cinnamon with a little bit of sugar. That's great. And I mean, this is a really simple you know, I would call it like a dessert, I would say, because it has a lot of sugar and the cinnamon and butter, and this is a really quick you know, thing to have, especially when you're in a rush to go somewhere and you want something sweet. This would be the perfect thing to have for breakfast, for lunch, or for dinner, or for a snack. So I hope you try this recipe. Let me know what you guys think and leave it down in the comment section below. And if you enjoy this video, give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time with more videos, because I will be posting some more videos. So take care and have a wonderful day.